Not sure how to use your Mitsubishi AC Remote? Model number RKT502A420. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Mitsubishi AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The high power button instantly boosts the air conditioner's cooling or heating performance to its maximum level, quickly reaching your desired temperature before returning to normal operation automatically. Econo Cool is an energy-saving mode that adjusts the airflow direction and temperature automatically to maintain comfort with minimal power consumption. Press the AIR flow button to adjust the strength and direction of the air being blown from the unit. Each press changes the fan speed or louver position, allowing you to customize airflow for optimal comfort. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. When you press the cancel button, it clears or stops any preset functions, such as the timer or good sleep mode. This returns the AC to normal operation without the scheduled settings. Press the reserve button to set or confirm a timer program. It activates the preset on or off timer, allowing the air conditioner to start or stop automatically at your chosen time. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer on button to start the on-time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer on function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. To set the timer for the unit, press the timer off button to start the off time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the timer off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Mitsubishi AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.